Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create the one and only TikTok trend edit using only InShot. No CapCut, no PC, just your phone. Okay, let's get started. First, just open InShot like this, and then just import your clips. Now just arrange them like this. For the first clip, it should be 2.5 seconds like this, and then on the second clip, it should be 3.3 seconds and the rest should be 0.5 seconds each. Next, just import your music like this and change the clip to the beat. And then now we're going to edit this beat. First, just go back to your first clip and then split it at 1.5 seconds. Over here. And then just adjust the second part using curve. Go to speed and then curve and then adjust it like this. And then for the 0.5 second clip, also use custom curve and make a similar wave pattern like this. And then just adjust the graph like this. And then don't forget to tap smooth and then tap clips. And then just do it to all your clips. And then now let's add some motions. Go back to first clip 0.5 on here. Use a keyframes to animate its clip like this. The first clip should zoom in at the end. Just add keyframes and then zoom in at the end like this. And then connect to the next clip that starts with a zoom in at the beginning. Like this. And then next clip just add slide and zoom like this. And then next just zoom out. Like this, just repeat this pattern into another clips. And then when you're done, make sure to add edge between its keyframes for smoother motions. Go to it and then just tap on this edge. Like this. Do it to all clips. Like this. Okay, that's it. That's basically the tutorial. The rest will be continued in part 2, so see you in part 2.